Marketing ops is very powerful in Klaviyo, but beginners and even experienced teams get stuck on the same things: building the right audience, setting up a campaign correctly, and doing it safely without breaking anything. Klaviyo Nexus is a marketing operations agent that turns natural language into safe, structured Klaviyo actions. We connect to a user's Klaviyo account via OAuth and then let them chat in plain English. Under the hood, it uses Klaviyo APIs through an MCP-style tool layer. But every write action is gated behind explicit human approval. Let's get started. I'm using a pretty fresh Klaviyo account with no lists, no profiles, no templates, and no campaigns. We can start our authenticated session by connecting to our Klaviyo account. And this uses Klaviyo's OAuth. And here we are on the chat page. So let's get started with a quick example. I told you before that I don't have any lists. So we can get started with a quick VIP list to target VIP customers. So create a VIP audience for customers who spent at least $300. And then since this is an empty Klaviyo account, we can seed 3 demo VIP profiles. Here we are, we have the execution trace. I've drafted a plan to create VIP audience demo list for spend greater or equal to 300. Please review and approve it. Here you see the human in the loop. Approval is required for every write action. So once we click on approve and let it process the logic, the action to create the VIP list has been successfully executed. So let's go check it out. If we refresh on our lists, we should now have a VIP audience. And here we have 3 users. If you remember beforehand, we had no profiles besides me, but now we do have some example profiles. So we can see that their spend is above 350 and they are labeled as a VIP. And this is true for all the VIP users. So as you can see, this is not just a simple create list. This is a multi-step workflow. Let's continue and let's target this exact VIP list that we created. And let's try and draft a campaign for it. So create a draft email campaign called VIP Early Access for the VIP list we just created from name Nexus AI. Okay, I've drafted a plan to create email campaign draft. Please review and approve. So we can see the tool call here has proposed action, create campaign draft. Campaign name is VIP Early Access. Subject is VIP Early Access 20% off. And the action proposed is to create the email campaign draft targeting the list that was just created. And here we see again that approval is required. So let's approve it. And currently our campaigns are empty, but if this succeeds, okay, the email campaign has been successfully created. So if you go on over to campaigns, we should be able to see a new campaign for us, which is VIP Early Access. And yeah, there we go. And if you go into templates, we should be able to see a simple email body that was created as well. To summarize, Nexus makes Klaviyo way easier to use by turning intent into safe operations, while keeping humans in control. Technically, it integrates deeply with Klaviyo via the OAuth and multiple Klaviyo API endpoints, profiles, lists, campaigns, etc. Thanks for watching. Everything is in the GitHub repo with setup instructions.